As you mentioned there, in the wake of the incident, the Mobile Reserve is to be disbanded. However, it appears that that decision is not going down well with the Police Officers Association, POA, which has described the decision as a major mistake. Our news center has been informed that the POA is not happy with the plan to phase out the unit. A senior cop revealed that the National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, did not have dialogue with the POA before arriving at that decision. The POA member, who asked not to be named, said Mobile Reserve plays a vital role in tackling crime and it would be a mistake to disband it. The National Security Minister yesterday announced that Mobile Reserve is to be disbanded as part of major changes coming for the JCF. In the meantime, the POA member says the association is also concerned about the decision to send the head of the Mobile Reserve, Senior Superintendent Terence Bent, on leave to facilitate the probe into Sunday's deadly shooting in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He argued that judgment is being cast against SSP Bent without any evidence.